Howdy, my name is Lear Kalo and I'm with the Texas A&M Electric Power Group. Today for our series of PowerWorld videos, we're going to be going over the basics of navigating case data. For the IEEE 14 bus case that we're going to be using, so you want to find out how to find it as well as how to open it, please refer to our last video. But without further ado, go to the top left and click on Model Explorer. This will open up the window that we talked about previously of where it has all the nitty-gritty details that you might actually be interested in. There are three basic windows that we're going to be looking at, as well as the colors associated with each. First window we have is going to be on the left, which should be the Explore tab, where this has all of the different subsections that you might want to pull up and view personally, such as buses, generators, loads, and by clicking on these, they'll pull up on this main window on the right. Please note that if anything's grayed out on this Explore tab, that doesn't mean anything is wrong, that just means that there's no data correlated with this specific subsection. But if we click on one of these and find it on our right in the main window, we can see how it has all of these smaller individual values, and there are three things that we want to investigate within this main window, namely being the three colors of black, blue, and green. Simply put, black is values that you cannot change. As much as I'd like to, I cannot type anything in. Blue are values of where I can change them corresponding to the value type, such as I can put numbers into megawatts, I could put letters into zone names of a load, right? And the third thing we're going to look at would be green. Greens are changeable, but with options, such as this one, I can change it to closed, or I can change it to open, and that's about it. One interesting thing to note would be that the black values can change as a result of changing the blue, such as if I change the megawatt, it's going to change the MVA. And that is one way that it can be changed, it just can't be a direct action. And the third and final window that we're going to be looking at would be in regards to all of these column names. And say I wanted to add longitude or latitude, or say if I wanted to add the kV nominal of a bus, I can go to the left here and I can click on fields. By clicking on fields and clicking on find field, I can type in specifically what I'm looking for, such as if I'm looking for kV and giving that just a little bit of a clue, I can type enter until I find exactly what I'm looking for, such as kV nominal bus. And there's a helpful key to the right where it says, blue is floating point, red is integers, greens are strings, so you know what you're typing in or what you're looking for. And once I find what I actually am interested in, I can click OK. On the left here, it'll navigate to what I'm looking at. I can click this, add, that'll add to the right in the main window, and I can click remove, and that'll take it away. The last thing to note would be these last three fields right here, the key fields, required fields, and secondary key fields. For these fields you're always going to find regarding the different subsections that you click, such as loads is always going to have this unique combination of fields associated with it. And buses is going to have this unique combination of fields associated with it. So if you're looking to import something, or if you're looking at specifically what you're going to be starting out with, this is a good thing to reference to in case you're looking at that. But I believe that's all we got, and thank you for swinging by and watching the video. I'll catch you next time.